From production line to global markets, another shipment ready to go. Another successful shipment is leaving our factory and heading to customers around the world. Every carton loaded, every pallet prepared, and every container dispatched reflects the trust our global partners place in Nobana technology. As a professional OEM and ODM water treatment manufacturer, we focus on every step of the production process, from product design and mold development to injection molding, assembly, testing, packaging, and final shipment. Our product range includes sediment pre-filters, central water purifiers, water softeners, under-sink RO systems, countertop water purifiers, and drinking water dispensers, providing complete residential water treatment solutions for different markets worldwide. Every product is carefully manufactured and inspected to ensure reliable quality, stable performance, and customer satisfaction. As global demand for clean and safe drinking water continues to grow, we remain committed to helping distributors, wholesalers, retailers, and brands develop competitive products and expand their business. Thank you to our partners worldwide for your continued trust and support. Nobana Technology, your reliable OEM/ODM water treatment manufacturing partner.